Number 17. After determining what type of sequence you have, find the 25th term of that sequence. Now we can look at this, we can see it's going down, and we can easily see that it's being divided by 2. Now, we got to look at what it's multiplied by. If it's being divided by 2, that means it's being multiplied by 1/2. It's a geometric sequence being multiplied by half. Now, we want to find the 25th term, the guy that's way out here. It's being cut in half, 15, 7.5. You can see it's going to get really tiny. It's going to basically get really close to 0 because we're going to be cutting it in half and half and half and half a bunch of times, almost 25 times. It's going to get small. It's going to be really close to 0. It's going to be, wow. We're going to see. Let's take a look. Formula says, hey, a sub n, okay, so in this case, it'll be a sub, we want the 25th term, is equal to the first term times whatever your rate is to n minus 1. So our first term is 240. Now notice what we're doing is we're multiplying by a half and then a half again and a half again. So our rate is a half, and we're multiplying by a bunch of times. How many times? Well, to get to the 25th spot, it's always 25 minus 1 in this case, to the 24th power. So I'm going to take the calculator and I'm going to go 240 times 1/2 raised to the 24th. Here's what I got. I got this answer, 1.43051, blah, blah, blah. I'm not going to worry about the rest. And it says E-5. I brought this up because I want to explain what it means when it says E-5. What it's done is it's put the answer in scientific notation. And this E-5 simply means times 10 to the -5th power. In other words, you need to take this decimal and move back 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it would be, this is your actual answer. And a few extra bits. So we took the decimal that was here and moved it back 5 times. So here's your answer. You can see, yeah, that guy is pretty close to 0, isn't it? Because again, you kept multiplying by half or dividing by 2. So yes, by the 25th time, that guy is almost at 0.